the sandbox feature on your PC or computer, just go over here, search for turn Windows feature on and off, click on this one, click yes, wait a little bit, then scroll downwards, then make sure this option is ticked, Windows Sandbox, then press OK. So if you haven't enabled it yet for the first time, it will set up it and you will have to your PC will restart after it finishes. So for those who are setting it up for the first time, when the PC restarts, you just after it restarts, you go and search for Windows Sandbox. So here it is, open it. So you'll have to wait for some time for it to open. So the Windows Box feature is just a separate feature which you can use for testing your apps. You can come up with apps and test them for free here. So you can test the apps before you run it on your PC. Yeah, something like that. So you have to wait for a little bit, and here we go. So my PC is a little bit slower, but so just open it in a moment. You can move it wherever you want. You can put it, you can run it as a half of your PC screen. You can run it there. You like it, maybe half of your screen, you can delete with it here. So the Windows Sandbox has some amazing features. Just the normal PC, like when you open your PC for the first time, just a little apps on it, and as you can see, you have the file explorer and some storage in it. Here you can run apps in this Windows Sandbox, but when you quit the app, you'll have all your progress will be lost. So as you can see, are you sure you want to close the Windows Sandbox? Once Windows Sandbox is closed, all of its content will be discarded and permanently lost. So okay, so that's how you open the Windows Sandbox. It's very simple, very easy, and I know everyone can do it. So thank you, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button to encourage me to post more and more of my content and support me. Thank you.